For this video, I'm going to show you how I make this wonky flashlight object into this.
This is cancer.
Just kidding, into this.
Don't do it to me. I beg you. No.
Bruh. Oh shit. Here we go again.
To the table. So the first thing I did here is to create preliminary sketches. This is the first step where you conceptualize concept. And then the outlines. And this is the sketch I come up with. Here's the side, front, and rear view of the sketches. This is not the final, just a reference for my model. And then I used coloring materials like this alcohol marker for a presentation of colors. And then boom, some crappy coloring skill that just make the artwork bad. This is supposed to be the final product, but I'm kind of not satisfied with its presentation, so I want to go to the hard way. To SketchUp. After opening SketchUp, click Architectural to Meters Template. I have a problem. The problem with this is I have no measurement. So what I will do is just guess it and will base it in the standard measurement of Asian height, which is the average height of them is 1.7 meters. And let me say, let's add or make it to 3-story structure height. I place 8.1 by 8.1 because 2.7 times 3 is 8.1. And at this point, I've decided to fast forward a bit so we'll not get bored. Here's the process where I created the windows, walls, calculated the height of ceiling, colors, and I have edited the segments which takes a lot of time so that structure. Segments of circle to 100 instead of Kidding aside, as I've finished the exteriors, I'm not planning to create the interior plans because I don't want to.
What?
Since the client wants only the concept, I'll just show him the exterior perspective of the concept and some few rendering I want to create just to have fun, you know. And yeah, I'll continue the tutorial. At this moment, I'm creating the stairs that will add up to how realistic the model will be when I rendered it. I used the measurement 0.2 meters or 7.8 inches for the rise and 0.3 meters or 11.8 inches for the run. They also added some few surfaces to the landscape. At this moment, I literally wasted time searching for landscape model. About 30 minutes, I guess. So to pay back the time I've wasted, I become productive for 30 minutes. Create texture, coloring wood texture, exterior painting, fixing random stuff to be called productive, add random black color to add depth and adding materials to structure and voila! I've noticed here that the ground where the structure is placed seems so flat. So at this last part of the modeling, which I modeled the landscape, I created some bumpy terrain using the sandbox tool to create more realistic engagement of the structure to the terrain once I imported this to the rendering software. And I guess this is the final look of the model. With this model, let us render. Lumion. I'm gonna use Lumion for faster and a bit realistic render. For terrain, I've decided to use this winter environment from Lumion. So let us import the file and wait. Let me check my temperature.
NANI?!
Going back, let's import the file and try to adjust the materials and stuff to make imperfection, because why not? Imperfection is reality. Let us add textures, lightings, reflections, edit some contours that makes the scene realistic. Lastly, I'm gonna try to export this into image first, so I can see the results. Adjust some stuff here. After a few minutes, let's render the scene. So it took me days to render this scene. And now for the final result.